Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be installing the brand new DREAME NAVO Smart Lock A10. Let's go ahead and see how long I take doing it. And while I do it, I'm going to be explaining you a little bit about the features and what it has to offer. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the DREAME NAVO Smart Lock A10 and is designed as a full smart lock upgrade for modern homes with focus on convenience, security, and integration. And you've got multiple ways of unlocking it like fingerprint, PIN, the NFC card, the app, voice control, and the physical key. And it also includes features like geofencing, auto lock, and real-time monitoring. So on paper, it checks all the boxes, but what matters is how those features actually work day to day. The setup is very straightforward and is designed to fit the standard US deadbolts, so you're not dealing with complicated wiring or installations. All right, guys, I'm gonna be switching this one on top. In theory, it should be fairly simple. This is the front, this is the back, but the main thing is that we need to change the deadbolt. Okay, so take this out, put the new deadbolt in, everything should be fitting nice and simple. So in theory, it shouldn't take me too long. While installing it, I'm going to be talking to you about what makes this one stand out, like the hands-free unlock that actually feels natural because of the geofencing that as you get close to your door, it automatically unlocks based on your location. So you're not pulling your phone out or stopping to unlock anything. And that sounds very simple, but in real use, that's the kind of feature that you would use every day. All right, guys, now let me show you a few ways that you can unlock the door. Now, starting off with the password. And this is one way to do it via password. Now, let's go ahead and lock it one more time. Let's go ahead and do the fingerprint. That's another way to unlock it. Now, let's go ahead and unlock it via the NFC card right here. I love it. That's another one. Just in case if you don't have your NFC card or your phone dies, and you can access your home, you can just remove this cover, and this is exactly where the key is going to be, and just unlock it with the key. You can unlock and unlock. Really, really handy to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ways of accessing your home. As a matter of fact, you can actually do 6 ways of accessing your home. You can also connect it via the Alexa, Google Home, or Siri, so you can use the voice command. Now, a lot of smart locks rely on timers, but this one doesn't because it uses the built-in gyroscope to detect when the door actually closes and locks immediately, so you're not guessing if it's locked or waiting for a countdown. Now, another great feature is that it connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so you can monitor and control it remotely, and that simplifies the setup and removes another point of failure. Now, this is where it becomes more flexible because you've got different modes depending on your situation. You got a mode that you can keep the door unlocked during busy times, let's say you're moving, and also a mode that can increase security when you're away, a quiet mode for nighttime, and a monitoring feature for family members living alone. So instead of one static setup, it adjusts based on how you're using your home. It's also built with certified physical security standards and reinforced structure, so it's not just smart features, it's also designed to handle real-world use and resistance, so whether it rains or shines, that is not going to be a problem. So in reality, how are you going to use it? Pretty much when you come home, it already unlocks if you have the Bluetooth enabled and you have the auto unlock. Then no stopping, no pulling out your phone, no juggling the keys. It just simply works. Also, when you're leaving the house, you just close the door and it automatically locks down. You don't have to guess if you closed it back. And you can also check in the app. Also, when you got guests and family members coming over, instead of handing out the keys, you can just assign access based on the situation, temporary access, different unlock methods, more flexibility without the extra effort. And also it's great for the remote access. Let's say you're not home, you're traveling, you can still check the status, unlock the door, or get alerts if something unusual is happening. So overall, this is gonna make sense if you want to upgrade from the normal traditional lock like I did. You care about the convenience without adding complexity, or you got multiple people accessing the same door. But it's also not gonna make sense if you prefer the manual systems or you just don't want any smart home integration. As far as the battery, it has the rechargeable Li-ion battery with up to 8 months of power. The battery is a USB-C type, so you can just simply charge it once the battery is out, right here, just like that. So honestly, what makes this stand out is not the number of features that it has to offer, but rather just the simplicity of just reducing the everyday friction. Just unlocking feels faster,
locking feels more reliable, and control just feels simpler, and for something like your front door, that balance matters more than anything else. So if you're thinking about upgrading your smart lock, this one is one of those options that focuses less on gimmicks and more on making daily use easier and more reliable. Thank you guys for watching. The link will be in the description below. Stay tuned for more content, like, subscribe, and we'll be back on the next video.